LG V60 thinq. LG V60 thinq is a flagship smartphone that has a lot of strong features. The powerful configuration under the hood manages to deliver excellent performance while running multiple tasks simultaneously. Other features include the magnificent cameras, IP68 rated waterproof body, good battery backup and ample amount of storage. Despite being the flagship device, it lacks quick charging, which is not acceptable at this range. Display and camera. The LG V60 thinq features a 6.3-inch screen of OLED type. The pixel density of 545 ppi and the aspect ratio of 19:9 make your viewing experience great. It has a screen resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels that makes the images and videos projected on the device crisp and clear. Overall, with these offerings, the smartphone provides a perfect visual treat to the eyes. As on the optic front, there is a triple primary camera setup having two 13MP lenses and a 16MP shooter at the back. The camera can click excellent images. There is a dual camera setup at the front containing an 8MP and a 5MP lens. This duo provides can-click crystal clear photos, and the selfie freaks will surely amaze with the quality of the photos. Storage, battery and connectivity. As far as the storage is concerned, there is an inbuilt 128GB memory in which one can save a plethora of songs, videos, images, etc. However, one can expand it up to 2TB by using a memory card. The smartphone is blessed with a 4100 mAh Li-ion battery, which is quite good to provide the required energy for long hours. For networking and sharing, along with the standard features that the device has 4G with VoLTE and USB Type-C as well. Configuration. The LG V60 thinq is loaded with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, which along with the octa-core processor setup are the main reason behind its splendid performance. There is a 2.96 GHz Cryo 485 single-core, a 2.42 GHz Cryo 485 tri-core and a 1.8 GHz Cryo 485 quad-core processors in the octa-core processor setup. A 6GB RAM takes care of the multitasking and an Adreno 640 handles the graphical requirements of the system. LG V60 thinq price. LG V60 thinq price is expected to be $1,151.93, 82,990 rupees. LG V60 thinq expected to be launched on March 12, 2020. This is 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of LG V60 thinq, which is expected to available in black color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.